They had big jobs, but the stress was too much. It was time to escape. So, they packed their bags, got on a plane, and flew to Spain. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
We're here in the museum. Wanted to show our little new transportation. This little scooter to get us around. Got it brand new. Can you believe that we got this for like $3,000 with insurance and everything? 2 helmets. So we're having some fun exploring our adventure here in Spain. Look how beautiful this little part of Granada is. It's called Albaicín, which is where we live. This is going uphill. We got everything around here. It's either stairs or one of these stone paths to go up. And you can see Alhambra up there. Get more stairs. We are kind of halfway through. So I'll let you know if I make it. I'm dying today. Who needs to go to a gym when you have Granada to explore? I guess we have reached the gates of heaven. ¿Dónde está San Pedro? The gate and more stairs. Okay, let's do it. I hear music. Should have like a swimming pool here to take a swim. Oh. Alright, so gotta pay $5. These are caves, and let's see what it says. Well, you guys can pause the video and read it. I'm gonna say hello. Oh, it's actually cool in here. It's not hot. That's pretty impressive. It's like 100 degrees out there, and it feels like, I don't know, 65 in here. I guess it's from the Sierra Nevada, maybe, I don't know. Imagine sleeping here in this little cave. Picture of my savior back there. Oh, wait a second. There's right through here, just like a really cool breeze coming in. No? But that's the first cave. The second cave. Oh, looks like a stable, I guess. So they kept the horses in here. This is where the I think the horses will drink water out of here. La herradura. Sorry, I don't know the name in English, or in Spanish for that matter. I know that's not a seat. I guess it's somewhere in this picture, maybe that part right there, to hold stuff. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Although I had horses when I was in Puerto Rico, but it's a little different than this. We use sillín y freno. To sit and to brake or stop the horse, right? So here's another cave. This is how they earn their money. Migre, caña, esparto, enea, pitita, agave. These are the plants that they use to make all these beautiful things. Baskets, hats. This looks like, I don't know, like a like a hammock. Pretty cool, huh? Going to another cave. This one is la cocina. Kitchen. Oh, interesting. They have their barril wine, all their cooking utensils, stove, the humble kitchen table. And you can see how they prepare their food. Pretty cool. Water coming from you'll see this throughout. It's like everywhere. Water, like natural spring water coming from the mountains. Most of it is actually, you can drink it. It's super cold and really refreshing. They are doing pottery. And then of course the music, the flamenco, that's so part of Spain, which I love. We're gonna be seeing a flamenco show probably in the next couple of days. Down the hill there's a flamenco cave that they do every day. So maybe we'll go tonight. History of flamenco artists, dancers, musicians, singers from this region. Of all the local, animals and whatnot. That one I'm not particularly fond of. Pelar. So here that's how they made all their clothing and whatnot. Thing is pretty sophisticated for its time, I guess. So continuing the tour, go up this little road and look what's over there. Let me zoom in a little bit. So yeah, the Alhambra from all the way over here. I think at the end there's like another viewing spot, aka Mirador, Spanish. So we'll take a look at that in just a little bit. But before that, here's another cave. Historia del Sacromonte. As soon as you come out, boom, look at that. I'm gonna put the camera the other way think the video gives it justice. I mean, it's obviously a different experience when you're here, but it's just an incredible view. I mean, and it goes really far out past the Alhambra. There's like mountains way out there. I don't know if you can see it. Well, yeah, way out there. I'm zooming all the way, so look at all that. It's just beautiful. If you ever get a chance to visit Spain, you know, Granada, it's full of amazing viewing spots. We've been here not even 2 weeks, and every day we find a new spot that we were like, oh wait, we haven't been here yet. So beautiful, full of so much history. And we're gonna be exploring all over Spain. It is pretty safe, you know, to stand here. Obviously, there's this little gate and everything. You know, I'm not really, everybody that knows me knows that I don't care for heights. And some places I'm okay with, like standing here I'm okay, just because this hill, I mean, well, obviously because of the gate. And even if I was to fall, I mean, I will stop eventually somewhere down here. There's a lot of, you know, some vegetation and whatnot. Then there's another gate down there. So you don't feel like it's, you know, like going straight down, and those are the kind of hills I don't feel comfortable with. And when you look straight this way, that's when I get like, yeah, I'm pretty high, and you know, you get that height dizziness, I guess. But again, it's just beautiful, amazing view from up here, even higher than where I'm at. You can see some folks walking up there. I'll zoom in so you can. And he's definitely higher than where I'm at. Then up there on the very top, there's like a wall. That wall actually goes all the way away. It takes us to where we live, which is around on the other side of this mountain. So we now say goodbye to this museum of Sacromonte, Cuevas de Sacromonte.